Okay, I'm going to show you now another how-to video. How to pair your JBL Clip 4 portable speaker to your HD TV. So here we go. Yeah, this is Google TV, man. I clipped the cord and I'm happy I did. All right, so first thing you do. Now this is for the Google TV. I'm not sure about the other ones, but it's pretty much all universal the same way. So first thing you do, you're gonna go up here. By the way, excellent movie, Fast X. That was probably the best movie of 2023 thus far. So all right, so anyway, you go over to Tools, and then you scroll down to Bluetooth. Click OK. Boom. Oh, JBL is already connected. Let me just forget it. So we'll start from scratch. Okay. Pair remotes or accessory. You go there first. Click OK. Now it's searching. Should have had the JBL turned on. So it's searching. It's searching. Oh wait, I gotta put it in pairing mode. Sorry.
Really?
In pairing mode, you hit the button, the Bluetooth button right there. And now it just found the Clip 4. I'm probably doing a horrible job directing, but here we go. Now I click OK and it's pairing. Okay. Now click pair. OK to pair. And now you just heard the noise. JBL is now connected and paired. So we're gonna do a test. We're gonna go to YouTube. Okay, look, I was watching True Lies. Let's go to Okay, so JBL Clip 4 is connected, it's on. Now, I'm just setting it down right there. Now let's see how it sounds. Let's just pick a random video right here. Let's hear how it sounds. There we go.
Today we're taking a look at the
And that's coming from the JBL.
And I just looked up on their website, and whoo,
Not my
it's
TV
like a
speakers.
$1,600 e-bike that you're looking at in its box. 1,000-watt peak power, hub motor.
So you can use the JBL as your surround sound speaker. And I have it on low volume because it's 3 a.m. in the morning right now. So there you go. That's why I love this thing. I carry it with me everywhere. And that's how you do it. Quick little video, how to. The Cool Courier, over and out. Peace.